Is it going to be a Christmas tree? Is it going to be Ernie? Bert?
I said be a Christmas tree.
Okay, let's put it right over here on the edge so we can make a lot of them.
Yeah.
We have to mash it down.
Yeah. Okay. Don't bury it. Look. I pick it up.
Okay.
I know Mama a lot of Christmases. I said that's a lot of Christmases.
Yes.
No.
Okay, now what?
Now I want okay. That's it. And I this one.
Okay, put it in flour.
No,
Put it in the white. Here. So it doesn't stick. Okay. Put it over here close to the Christmas tree.
Goes.
Close. Right beside.
Yeah, right outside.
Ah, now what are you going to use?
No.
What we need? Oh, got a sprinkle?
Yeah, I got a pink. This and this, yeah? I do it. No.
Now what are you going to use? What are you going to cut with? You need to cut out something else. What is it going to be?
Then.
Look.
This.
Go right over here close.
Goose.
Oh, we got his foot. Now. Good deal.
What this?
I think it's a flower.
That's a flower. That's a flower. I want a bingo. I want a bingo some more.
Bert looks really good.
Yeah.
Now what are we going to cut right there? Need to sprinkle some more right there, don't you think?
I think cut this. And I